How to see all of your pins on Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, before starting Pinterest, go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Pinterest. Now click on search, go to Pinterest and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Now at the top menu, you can find two options, pins and boards. Now select pins. Now on this page, you can find all of your pins from your account. If you want to sort them, tap on the square dots and select your sorting options. If you want to search for your pin, tap on search for your pin. Now type the pin name and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.